Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to do question number 1, part 3rd and part 4th of worksheet 3, chapter number 12, quadrilaterals. In my previous video, I have already posted its part number 1 and part number 2. So, already guided that this is type 3 construction when two adjacent sides and three angles are given. Now you can see here, if I take base as PQ, I require angle P and angle Q. So P is also there and Q is also there. If I draw base as QR, I need angle Q and angle R, and both these angles are available. So what we need to do, a rough sketch is to be constructed. So see how rough sketch. If I take base as PQ, this PQ will be 5 centimeter and angle P is how much degree? 75 degree. So 75 degree will come like this, and angle Q is 105 degree. So 105 degree will come outwards ऐसे करके. Then how much is QR? 6 centimeter. From here you will cut 6 centimeter QR, and R angle is 90 degree, that will come like this. So angle Q, PQR, S will come automatically whatsoever. We need not to find here S angle, right? Because angle P, angle Q and angle R are given. So see, I am starting the construction now. This first base PQ we need to draw. This is, I have kept the compass, and this is PQ 0 and this is 5. So 5 centimeter construction, line segment 5 centimeter. This is PQ. So I have written here 5 centimeter. Angle P is 75 degree. So for 75, keep the compass tip on P and take an arc. I am going to make 90 here, 60, and this is 120. Once on 60 and then on 120. So this is 90 degree. After you make 90 degree, you need to make 75 degree. 75 degree is the bisection of 90 degree and 60 degree. 90 and 60 are to be bisected to get 75 degree. I am extending this now. This way, this is 75 degree. Angle Q is 105 degree. I have kept the compass tip on Q. First, I need to make 90 degree. So this from here 60 and from here 120 degree. Once on 60, this is an arc, and then again on 120. Now you need to draw dotted 90 degree. This line segment is drawn dotted. 105 is needed. Do not disturb compass. Keep on 90 degree, an arc. Keep on 120 degree, another arc. Extend it. This is 105 degree. Now what you need to do, QR is to be taken 6 centimeter. Open compass 6 centimeter. Keep the compass tip on Q and cut this. And name this point as R. QR is 6 centimeter. R angle is given how much? This is given 90 degree. 75 and 105 both were to be made with compass. 90 also is to be made with compass. Keep the compass tip on P. Draw an arc this way. Once keep the compass tip here 60. Then keep the compass tip here on 60. This is 120. Once on 120 and then on 60 degree. Both the arcs will cut each other. Now extend this way, it will come 90 degree. This point is S point. You need not to erase these lines. You may put arrows here. S labeling is not to be done, right? So this way it has come out to be quadrilateral PQRS. Now I am writing its result. PQRS is the required quadrilateral. As already I have guided in previous question to you that how 105 degree, this is not to be written in the paper or in the notebook, it is just for you. 105 degree is the bisection of 90 and 120, right? And how 75 degree is made? It is the bisection of 60 degree and 90 degree. And 90 degree is to be made by bisecting 60 degree and 120 degree. This you can just remember. It will be easy for you to draw the angles. I hope this construction is also clear to all of you. Now I am doing its fourth part, question number 1, fourth part. ABCD quadrilateral is to be constructed. AB given 4.5 centimeter, BC 5, angle A 60 degree, angle B 120 degree, and angle C is given 60 degree. If I wish to take base as AB, then I require angle A and B, and both are there. If I wish to take BC as base, I require angle B and angle C, and both are there. So I need not to apply angle sum property of the quadrilaterals. Let's draw the rough sketch. If I take here 4.5 as AB, right? So angle A is to be made 60 degree. So it will come inwards like this, 60 degree. And angle B is 120 degree. It will come outwards 120 degree. Then BC is 5 centimeter. Here you need to cut 5 centimeter BC. And angle C is 60 degree. So that will come inside this way. It will come little inside. ऐसे आएगा this way C. This is point BC we have taken, it will come D point. This is 60 degree. This is merely a rough sketch. We will construct now fair construction. So let's start. As guided in the rough sketch, first 4.5 centimeter. Zero, and this is 4.5. After taking 4.5 centimeter line segment, label as AB and write 4.5 centimeter. 60 degree, as already guided, it is to be made with compass. Keep the compass tip here on point A, draw an arc here 60 degree. Extend it. On point B 120 degree, again with compass. Same compass is opened as was opened for 60. This is 60 and this is 120. The second arc is of 120. Extend it Here this is 120 degree and this is 60 degree. Now BC is 5 centimeter. So you need to open 5 centimeter compass this way. Keep compass tip on B and cut here 5 centimeter. This is C point and BC is 5 centimeter. Now on point C, which angle is to be drawn? 60 degree. Compass tip here. From this side you need to draw. This is 60. Because if you will take from this side, it will come outwards. That will be 120. SA 60. Now join these and extend it further. This will be the point D. You can make an arrow here, make an arrow here. This is 60 degree and BC already I have written that it is 5 centimeter. So this construction is also done. Result, ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Now in my next video, I will post the 4 parts of question number 2 of worksheet number 3. If you have understood all the constructions very well, do like the video, comment, subscribe and share the video with your friends to get so that they can get benefited with the videos. Thank you very much.